Hey y'all, we done made it over here to Hobby Lobby. Looking around to see what they got. I see they got 50% off of their fall decor, party, what it say? Party, floral, and crafts. So that's arrangements, bushes, wreaths, garlands, swag, stems, picks, ribbons, fabric. Does not include floor custom designs, candy, or food. So we're gonna see what they got up in here, y'all, today. They got a set of 4. So yeah, y'all rain is over there. Hit the thumbs up, the like button if y'all wanna see what we find over here in Hobby Lobby. Okay, I like these right here though. So I like these right here. They got these here for $10.99. I wonder if these half off. I don't think that's it. It say all fall decor. So it's hopefully this part of fall decor. $10.99. Be marked down a little something cheaper, you know. Half off by $5.50. Okay. Little stirs and stuff. I wonder if they got those cute little chargers in here. I don't know where those chargers came from, but I'm definitely on the hunt for them. Some table chargers. So here's the picks and stuff here. $3.99. That'll make them $2 for that. The little pumpkin picks. That'll be $2.50 for that one. These people must know some. I don't know. They must go knock this down about 75% off because they sure ain't buying it up like you'd think they would. They got a lot of wreaths and stuff left too. So they must gonna go down some more. That one's cute too. Got the garland. But see, me being who I am, I don't know if I need to wait around on them, honey, because, child, please, they done got up everything, honey. I don't be done got nothing, but I do like, oh, this one here is $29.99. So that one will be $15. I like that one when I get ready to change out my garland. That's, how much is this one with the pine cone? $44.99 for that one. That's over my door. Then they got this one here for $49.99. They got some nice stuff though. Y'all already know that about Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby don't come to play, okay? Hobby Lobby be doing their thing when it comes to the home decor. These here $30 with 50% off. I got this one here, say hey friends. 50% off of this. Y'all, and this is reversible. And then on the other side it say welcome gnomes. Okay, so they got little baskets and pillows as well on clearance. That's cute. A little black and white. The little black vase is cute. That little what they call that plant right there, cute. Can't think of the name of it right now, but that's cute too. Let's go look up here in the front and see what kind of flowers and trees and plants and stuff that they got over here. They got all kind of little trees here. How much is this one? It was $59. It's on sale for $29.99. I got these right here, which is so cute. $110.99. Got these right here. They is $44 $34.99. They ain't went down on them no more yet. They need to go down. That's why they ain't going nowhere. Oh, it's actually called pampas grass. I was looking, I'm like, what kind of plant is it? It's pampas grass. I like that. This the hour I was attacked by those bugs and these things. All this here. They made me think twice about buying their little stuff, honey, because them bugs, baby, was in there. I don't know what kind of, like, I was told it probably was moth or something. Let me see. 50% off of Christmas decor. They already got 50% off the Christmas decor, y'all. I like that. These here is $9.99. I'm trying to decide if I want to put a short plant or a tall plant in those two things that I put in front of my window. But I kind of don't want to put a tall plant because I don't want to block my window. So I'm kind of leaning more towards a short plant and put it in a vase. And then I got some of these right here already too. I was thinking about putting these in there as well. Okay, so they got 40% off the swags and the garland. So I think I better go ahead on and get my garland that I want since it's 40% off, so that when I get ready to change out my thing, I'll have it. And I want some regular green to go over that. I don't really need no long one. This one here, $9.99. That's 6 feet, $9.99, and that one's 6 feet, $9.99, $15.99. They got an owl over here with garland. Let's see what else they got. Oh, this is an owl with nothing but garland. Oh yeah, let's look at this owl here and see what they got. I love these red roses here. Ooh, they is so pretty. Yes. They're $45.99. They got this one here. I like that too. It ain't that long either. It's $19.99. I don't know why I'm liking this pampas grass looking stuff, but I love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, look at this wreath here, y'all. This wreath here is cute and it looks so real. How much is it? $44.99. Get on in here and get the deals on the Christmas floor. It's 50% off the Christmas florals and stuff. If you need some to decorate with, pics and all of that. And decor, I think, too. They got this here. That's fall little makeable tree. $25 is $49. And this one here is $50 too for this here. That's nice. I like that. And that one's $50 as well, so $25. 50% off the fall stuff. That one there, $40. I like those. And they $20 a piece. But this here is what I was trying to tell y'all about. You see how Hobby Lobby display their stuff, and they use these little what you call them, these here, they use those. Okay, so that's how I ended up getting mine, because they were selling them, the ones that I don't know why they were selling some, but they were selling some, and I had ended up with me 2 of them. So yeah, but yeah, that's how they use them, to display their stuff. Put glass on top and display. This $9.99. See, this the ones that had them bugs in them. Not over here, but it was in another spot. I like that though. $9.99 and 50% off of that. $5 a piece. Can't beat that. Definitely can't beat that. And look at the red ones, y'all. Oh my goodness, like they burgundy. I don't even know if the camera even showing how pretty they are, y'all, but they is burgundy, like a pretty plum color. Oh, they so pretty. 50% off of the crosses. Got some nice crosses. 40% off of candle holders. So they got sales all around the store today, child. All kind of sales. My husband need this right here. Men cave, cave rules. My cave, my rules. No sitting in my chair. Keep your hands off my remote. Woman by invitation only. Bring food if strongly suggested. This right here is definitely for my husband, y'all. That is too cute.